Hello folks, this is Jamil Surfer Gunstock Reviews. We're here at C2 Tactical in Scottsdale, Arizona, our favorite indoor facility. And today we have, out of the many iterations of it's been called generally the 2011 pistol that has been around for 30 years now, and I will do a video about the history of it. This is the Apache from WatchTower. This is a 9mm pistol. This is a very high-end pistol. As you can see, has all the accents in copper DLC. The pistol itself is coated in DLC. It has a compensator. It has a fiber optic front sight. It has a plate that includes a co-witness rear sight, and it has a Trigicon SRO. Flat trigger. The grip is, of course, their proprietary design on the trigger. Ambidextrous safeties, which, by the way, I am not a huge fan of ambi safeties, so I'm going to be the first one to tell you it's going to, because I hold this so high, it digs into my hand big time. Of course, the beaver tail has been narrowed a little bit, the beaver tail grip safety. It has a lightened hammer. The slide stop is really nice and cool. It has the mag catch is drilled and tapped for an extension if you so desire. This pistol is mostly set up for competition. This is not something that, the way it's set up right now, that you use it for duty or anything like that. And yes, the 2011 pistols are being used for duty right now. LAPD SWAT, I think, is one of the first agencies to pick up the 2011 pistol for duty. So today we're going to be shooting MagTech 115 grain full metal jacket, but it's the steel case. So when I get home, in order for me to get this ammo sorted, I'm just going to pick up all my loose brass and run a magnet on top of them, and all the steel cases are going to come up to the top, and I'll throw them in a bag. I'll recycle them later. So we got like 19 rounds left in this box. Let's go ahead and shoot 9 first, see where it shoots, and then we'll go from there. So come on over. Got my ears on already, so let's get ready to rumba. Okay, guys, I got 9 rounds loaded here. Make sure my magazine is well seated. I don't get a type 1 malfunction, so let's do it. Let's go ahead and load some ammo. I forgot that I only brought 1 magazine with me. My bad. So let me load this other magazine here real quick. This is a 17 round. This came directly from them. I don't know who made this magazine, but it's working flawlessly, so can't beat that. Yes, this is shooting really well. The SRO, because we're indoors, I set the SRO dot to really low so it doesn't bloom too much. I can see a very nice circle on the screen. If you put too much power, it's too bright, it's going to bloom a little bit and it's not going to be comfortable. So let's go ahead and do it. One thing I like about it, lock back perfectly well. Wow, it's a shooter. What do you think, Dave?
Absolutely.
Okay, so guys, I really like this pistol. I like the way it's set up. I like the way it works. Take these things off. The compensator worked flawlessly with this ammo. I mean, this pistol is set up to shoot 115 grain full metal jackets. A lot of people say the compensators don't work on a 9mm. Yes, they do work, but you don't have to be too fancy. 1 port is more than enough. The SRO, of course, is a very high quality red dot sight done by Trigicon, which is, one of my favorites. And everything else is working perfectly fine. So I would say this pistol is a A keeper, yeah. I can't afford it, but it's a keeper. I can't afford to get another second mortgage on my house to buy it. But it also forgot to say it has a magwell on it from the factory, and it's perfectly blended to the grip. So it's like there's nothing there. It's just like they were made to each other for each other. Go figure, right? So yeah, I think WatchTower it will be a good choice if you're going to compete. I think it's a great competition pistol. And I would say, yeah, it's a little bit too flashy for me if I was going to carry it, but if you get a good holster for it, it'll be a good duty pistol too. So guys, again, thanks for watching. Please like this video, share this video, and subscribe to the channel. And like always, please remain healthy, stay safe, and definitely have fun at the range.
Thank you for watching Gunstock Reviews. Please visit our website at www.gunstockreviews.com for more exclusive content. Please visit our Patreon page at www.patreon.com/gunstockreviews. Your contributions would be greatly appreciated and help us grow our selections and frequency of videos.